Did you read about Nvidia's new laptop chip unveiling? It seems like a major shift for consumer PCs.
Nvidia, huh? I've heard them talk about AI chips before. But how does this specific hardware challenge Apple and Intel?
Well, the core development is designed specifically for on-device AI acceleration within Windows machines.
On-device means it processes things locally without needing constant cloud access? That's a huge selling point.
Exactly. It significantly boosts the computational power available directly to user applications running local models.
So we're talking about something that moves processing away from centralized data centers and onto personal laptops?
Precisely. The goal is making sophisticated AI features like advanced photo editing or real-time language translation seamlessly integrated.
But doesn't Apple already have its highly optimized silicon architecture for this kind of integration?
That's the challenge, isn't it? Nvidia is positioning it as a more customizable and raw accelerator, pushing capability rather than just efficiency.
So their advantage isn't necessarily better battery life, but pure computational throughput for AI tasks?
It appears so. Analysts suggest it dramatically boosts performance metrics critical for large language model operations locally.
Does this imply that the current reliance on cloud services for AI processing is starting to erode?
That's a major implication. Edge computing, powered by chips like this, reduces latency and privacy concerns associated with cloud uploads.
And who really benefits from this shift? Just the high-end PC manufacturer, or do other ecosystems get affected too?
Both. It forces all competitors to prioritize dedicated AI hardware into their pipelines, whether they're using RISC or x86 architectures.
So it creates a necessity for manufacturers to adopt an AI-first approach across the board.
Exactly. The chip isn't just a component. It's a platform that dictates future feature sets and performance expectations.
Does this mean we could see a fragmentation of the PC market, where different brands optimize for different AI workloads?
That's a real possibility. It shifts the competition from mere raw CPU cores to specialized tensor processing units, TPUs, or equivalents.
And what does this mean for developers? Do they now have more standardized APIs to write these local AI experiences?
Ideally, yes, but adoption and software support will be key. The hardware is only as good as the software ecosystem that feeds it.
So while the chips are impressive, the real hurdle might be making them useful for the average consumer?
That's the fundamental trade-off. High power for high performance, but complexity can deter mainstream adoption initially.
It sounds like a powerful catalyst, but also one that heightens the existing arms race between tech giants.
Absolutely. This move isn't just about sales, it's about defining the next generation of computing architecture itself.
I wonder if this kind of specialized local processing will eventually make the concept of a single operating system standard obsolete.